Students, welcome to physics class. Here, I would like to discuss some important points. We are going to discuss some important points. Now take, it is velocity VA. Consider in the same direction, the velocity is VB. Now take point number 1. VA is equal to VB. Therefore, VBA is equal to 0. Point number 2. VA greater than VB. In this case, that means the VA velocity is greater than VB velocity. In this case, VBA is equal to negative. Now, point number 3. Point number 3. VA less than VB. That means the velocity of object VB is greater than the VA. In this case, VBA is equal to positive. Now, point number 4. VA is equal to minus VB. In this case, VBA is equal to minus VB minus VA, or VBA is equal to minus of VB plus VA. If we are considering in reverse order, then what will be happen? Point number 1. VA is equal to VB. In this case, VAB is equal to 0. Point number 2. VA greater than VB. In this case, VAB is equal to positive. Now, case number 3. VA less than VB. In this case, VAB is equal to negative. Now, point number 4. VA is equal to minus VB. Therefore, VAB is equal to VA minus of VB, or VAB is equal to VA plus VB. This is another case. So, like that, either one we have to go through it or we have to read. Now we are going to discuss a small numerical so that whatever note we read here, it will be easy to understand to us. Now, go to the numerical. Two parallel rail tracks, run north south north south train, north south train. A moves 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 north with a speed of with a speed of 54 kilometers per hour, and B moves and B moves south. B moves south with a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Now, what is the point number A? Velocity of what is the velocity of B with respect to A? Question mark. Now, point number B, velocity of ground, with respect to B. Once again, velocity of ground with respect to B? Question mark. Similarly, point number C, velocity of monkey. Velocity of monkey running. Velocity of monkey running on the roof of the train. A. Against its motion. Against its motion with a velocity of 80 kilometers per hour with respect to the train capital A. The train capital A has observed by a man standing on the ground, by a man standing on ground. This is the question. Once again, I am repeating the question. Two parallel rail tracks run north-south. Trains A moves north with a speed of 54 kilometers and B moves south with a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. What is the cases? Point number 1. Velocity of B with respect to A. Velocity of ground with respect to B. Velocity of monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion with a velocity of 18 kilometers per hour with respect to the train A as observed by a man standing on the ground. This is the question. Now go for the solution. Now solution. Take 4 directions. It is east. If it is east, this is west. If this is west, obviously this is south, this is north. Now here one note we have to remember. Note means important point. What is that one? Left to right. Left to right. That means left to right. That is south. South to north. South to north. Taken south to north. Consider as positive. Similarly, right to left. Right to left. The meaning is right to left. That means north. North to south. North to south. Consider as negative. Consider as negative. That is, take here a train which is moving from south to north. So, taken as positive. Now take train B. It is train B. Train. How we have to take? Negative. This is the point we have to remember. Once we can remember this point, then we can easily to understand what is the content. Therefore, VA is equal to plus 54 kilometers per hour. That is equal to 15 meter per second. Similarly, VB is equal to minus 90 kilometer per hour. That means minus 25 meter per second. Therefore, point number A, relative velocity of B with respect to A is VBA, that is equal to VB minus VA, that is equal to minus 25 minus 15, that is equal to minus 40 meters per second. Once again I am repeating this point. Point number A, relative velocity of B with respect to A is given by VBA is equal to VB minus VA, that is equal to minus 25 minus 15, that is equal to minus 40 meter per second. Point number B, velocity of ground with respect to B, how much? Now that means velocity of ground with respect to B is equal to velocity of ground minus velocity of train B, that is equal to velocity of ground. What is the velocity of ground? 0 minus what is velocity of this one? Minus 25, that is equal to plus 25 meter per second. Now, once again I am repeating this point. Velocity of ground with respect to B, how much? Here velocity of ground G with respect to the velocity of the train is equal to velocity of the ground minus velocity of B, that is equal to 0 minus 25, that is equal to plus 25 meter per second. Therefore, now we are going to discuss point number C. Velocity of monkey. Velocity of monkey with respect to A. How much? Now go for discussion. Here velocity of monkey with respect to the A is equal to Vm minus Va, that is called minus 18 kilometer per hour is equal to velocity of monkey minus 54 kilometer per hour. Therefore, Vm is equal to minus 18 plus 54 kilometer per hour, that is equal to 36 kilometer per hour, that is equal to 36 into 5 by 18. That is called 2 into 5. That is called 2 into 5. That is called 10 meter per second. So this is about velocity of monkey with respect to the train A. My dear students, like that we have to solve the numericals. However, I hope you understood how to solve the relative velocity numericals. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.